Smithtown's residents know the challenge of living through a wide range of weather conditions. From cold, snowy winters to humid, sun-filled summers, every season tests your home's durability, especially your doors. As the first line of defense against the elements, your entry, patio, and side doors need to do more than look good. They must perform well all year long. Choosing weather-resistant door replacement options designed for Smithtown's climate ensures your home stays energy efficient, secure, and beautiful in every season. The importance of weather resistance in door design. A door's ability to withstand weather extremes goes far beyond the surface finish. True weather resistance starts with quality materials, tight sealing, and expert installation. When these three components work together, your door can resist moisture, block drafts, and maintain thermal stability despite temperature swings. In Smithtown, where seasonal shifts bring freezing winds in January and coastal humidity in August, these details matter. A weather-resistant door minimizes heat loss during winter and prevents cool air from escaping during summer, helping you maintain consistent indoor comfort while keeping energy bills in check. Top weather-resistant door materials for Smithtown homes. Different materials offer distinct advantages when it comes to durability and performance. Here's a breakdown of the best door replacement options for Smithtown's seasonal weather. Fiberglass doors. Durable and energy-efficient fiberglass doors are a favorite among Smithtown homeowners for their exceptional resistance to warping, rotting, and cracking. They don't absorb moisture, making them ideal for the area's humid months. Many fiberglass doors come with insulated cores and weather seals that provide excellent thermal protection, reducing drafts and improving energy efficiency. Modern fiberglass doors also mimic the rich look of wood, allowing you to enjoy a traditional appearance without the maintenance hassle. With customizable finishes and textures, they suit both classic and contemporary home designs. Steel doors. Strength meets security for homeowners seeking unbeatable protection. Steel doors offer strength and resilience against extreme weather and unwanted intrusions. Their galvanized coating helps prevent rust, while high-quality foam insulation improves energy performance. However, proper installation and finish are key. Without them, steel doors can dent or corrode over time. Choosing a professionally installed, coated steel door ensures long-lasting performance even in Smithtown's coastal air and winter chill. Wood doors. Natural beauty with proper protection. Wood doors add timeless charm to any home, but they require care to stay weather-resistant. In Smithtown's variable climate, engineered or composite wood doors with moisture-resistant finishes perform better than traditional solid wood. These advanced models combine authentic aesthetics with modern durability, resisting swelling, warping, and cracking caused by temperature changes. Features that enhance weather resistance. The right material is only part of the equation. Look for doors with these features to maximize protection. Weather stripping and seals. Quality perimeter seals block air leaks and moisture. Insulated cores. Doors with foam or polyurethane cores improve thermal performance. Multi-point locking systems. Secure locks help keep the door tightly closed against wind pressure. UV-resistant finishes. Protects color and surface from fading or cracking under sunlight exposure. These upgrades make a significant difference, ensuring your door performs reliably season after season. The role of professional installation. Even the best door won't protect your home effectively if it's not installed properly. Gaps, misalignments, or poor sealing can let in drafts and moisture, undermining the door's performance. By choosing professional door installation in Smithtown, you ensure your new door fits perfectly and functions as intended, maintaining energy efficiency and weather resistance throughout its lifespan. A smart investment for Smithtown homeowners. Replacing your home's doors with weather-resistant options is a smart, long-term investment. You'll enjoy better comfort, lower utility costs, and enhanced curb appeal, all while protecting your home from the region's changing climate. Whether you prefer the modern resilience of fiberglass, the strength of steel, or the warmth of wood, today's advanced door options combine style, efficiency, and durability like never before. With the right choice and expert installation, your Smithtown home can stay beautiful, comfortable, and secure through every season.